Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 10th, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of Apple technology. From groundbreaking studies to the latest product launches and significant legal battles, there's plenty to discuss. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into the Apple hearing study conducted by the University of Michigan, which has provided new insights into tinnitus. This study is one of the largest of its kind, involving over 160,000 participants. Tinnitus, a condition where individuals hear sounds that others do not, can severely affect one's quality of life. The study revealed that a significant 77.6% of participants have experienced tinnitus, with its prevalence increasing with age. Participants often use noise machines and meditation to manage their symptoms, with noise trauma and stress being the primary causes. Apple has been proactive in supporting hearing health through features like the Noise app on the Apple Watch, which alerts users to harmful noise levels. The data from this study will be shared with the World Health Organization to promote safe listening practices. In product news, Apple has officially launched the Apple Watch Series 10, the thinnest and most advanced version yet. It boasts a larger, brighter display and introduces sleep apnea notifications, a feature that could revolutionize health monitoring. The watch charges faster, reaching 80% in just 30 minutes, and maintains an 18-hour battery life. Available in aluminum and titanium finishes, the Series 10 also includes new sensors for water activities and a Tides app for tidal information. With a new S10 system in package, the watch enhances performance and efficiency, supporting features like on-device Siri. Pre-orders are open now, with retail availability starting September 20th, 2024. Turning to legal matters, Apple has been ordered by the European Court of Justice to pay €13 billion in back taxes to Ireland. This decision concludes a long-standing legal battle over Apple's tax practices, which began in 2016 when the European Commission accused Apple of receiving illegal tax benefits from Ireland. Despite initial victories in lower courts, the ECJ's ruling reinstates the original order. This case highlights ongoing tensions between the EU and US tech companies over taxation and regulatory practices. In related news, the European Court of Justice has also ruled against Google in an antitrust case, upholding a €2.4 billion fine for prioritizing its own shopping service in search results. These rulings underscore the EU's commitment to regulating large tech companies and ensuring fair competition. On the hardware front, Apple has unveiled the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models. The iPhone 16 features a new A18 chip, improved camera capabilities, and a refreshed design. However, it continues to use the outdated USB 2.0 standard, which has frustrated some users. The iPhone 16 Pro models, with larger screens and enhanced performance, aim to cater to gaming enthusiasts. Both models are available for pre-order starting September 13th, with shipping on September 20th. In a surprising move, Huawei has launched the Mate XT, a trifold smartphone priced at $2,800, shortly after Apple's iPhone 16 announcement. This innovative device combines a 10-inch tablet and a smartphone, showcasing Huawei's commitment to cutting-edge design despite challenges from US sanctions. Finally, Apple's September event introduced several new products, including the Apple Watch Ultra 2, AirPods 4, and AirPods Pro 2. While these products feature notable improvements, such as enhanced noise cancellation and spatial audio, the event received mixed reviews for lacking groundbreaking innovations. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates informative and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.